I am 10 million pesos in debt. Ang bigat. And honestly, hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya babayaran. At first, I didn't want to tell anyone because natatakot ako that people would look at me differently. And yes, people I thought would stay, relatives, friends, people close to me. Sad to say, I can't feel them right now. I feel like I'm alone. But today, I don't care what others will think. I'm sharing this because I want to glorify God. I know this is just a phase in my life, and this is just temporary. And one day, in God's perfect time, He will restore everything I've lost. Lagi ko sinasabi sa mister ko, tsaka na ako magbibigay ng testimony ko kapag pinayaman na tayo ulit ni Lord. Pero naisip ko rin, how will I glorify Him if I hide my problems? Who will believe my testimony if one day, by the grace of God, I will be able to pay off all my debts? And yet, no one knew my struggle. This is my story. This is my testimony in the making. I am sharing this for people who are in the same situation. Those who are working hard. Those who are trying to do the right thing despite the weight on their shoulders. Alam nyo, someone even offered me a high-paying job in an online casino. And yes, I am desperate to pay my debts. But I said no, because I don't want to do anything against the law of God. I am not proud that I am in debt. But my heart says no more hiding. Face the truth. Deal with it. And trust that God will guide me every step of the way. If you are struggling too, I want you to know you are not alone. Your debt may be big, but our God, He is so much bigger. Just stay faithful, work hard, and trust the one who never leaves. I want you guys to be part of my journey to becoming debt-free, because I know and I believe that one day soon, I will tell you, God made a way. But for now, even if I feel like I am being crushed, I still choose to see His goodness and share positivity, because I believe and I know that He will save me from all of my debts. Because God is faithful. He will provide and He will make a way. God loves me. He loves you. God loves